my friends. Welcome to my channel, Scrappy Warrior Woman. I am Diana, and in today's episode, we are going to be talking safety eyes. We're diving into safety eyes, what they are, and what they look like. If you like the content today, please like and subscribe. This actually helps my channel to grow and reach other crocheters just like you. With safety eyes, they are used on amigurumi or plushies. One word of caution that I need to say first before we start talking about safety eyes: they're not recommended for children under the age of 3 because they can be a potential choking hazard. I realize safety eyes are somewhat basic, but when I started out, I wasn't even aware of what safety eyes were, what they look like. So that's why I'm making this video. What are safety eyes? Safety eyes are plastic bowls that help give some character and life to your amigurumi or plushie, if that's what you call them. Safety eyes are easy to attach but difficult to remove. They're measured in millimeters, which represents the diameter of the eye. So when you're looking at a crochet pattern, they may tell you what size eye you need, and say you have your amigurumi eyes all messed up, it's really easy to figure out what your amigurumi size is. If you need to measure a safety eye, using either a measuring tape or ruler, place the edge of the eye at the line that indicates 0. Then count the little lines on the tape. Those are for measuring millimeters until you reach the other edge of the eye. This will tell you the size of your safety eye. And I will demonstrate here what they look like because I didn't even know what they looked like. Attaching safety eyes. This is a basic safety eye, basic black safety eye. You can see the ridges on it. And then this is the washer. That's the washer that goes on the back of it. So when you want to apply front of your project, you place your safety eye in there, and you go around the back and you place the safety eye with the rounded part, like the dome shape, facing down. And then you push down and engage over the top, and it grips those ridges. So this is a great tool to set safety eyes, as it helps put your amigurumi backs on to your plushies. If you don't have really good strength in your fingers, or if your nails are flimsy like mine were, this is a great tool. I found mine on Amazon, just a safety eye tool, and I'll put the link to mine in the description. So when you attach your safety eyes to your projects, it's important to use proper techniques. So I always check the washer to make sure it's full and not like cracked in any way before I actually attach it, because I have had in the past where I went to go attach the eye and I ended up, finishing the doll, and then the eye was in my hand because the washer didn't secure properly because it had a tear in it. So make sure that your washers are whole and no cracks or defects. Super creative people have come out with different ways to make safety eyes. So I saw somebody that had safety hearts for eyes. I saw, just different shapes and things like that. But one of the things that I found that I thought was totally cute were glitter eyes. They add such a fun pop of different to your amigurumi. I store my safety eyes. I've seen them at Walmart, and I ordered these off of, I believe I ordered these off of Amazon. So I wanted to demonstrate glitter eyes. So I don't know if you can see how that's clear. There you go, it's clear. And then you have your washer that has your color on it, and you slide it color side up. So here are your ridges, and you slide color side up so the dull side is towards the back. You can see the color there. And when I store these, I like this little container because it just snaps up. And with a clear piece of tape, I put it over the top, and then I write what size it is. So when I go to find it again, it's a lot quicker than everything mixed together. Another tip, make sure that they're not stuck to another piece. Such super fun, cute safety eyes out. So that's my experience is with glitter safety eyes. I'm thinking with other safety eyes that have different backing they would be the same, where they would have that slide on piece before you attach. Where do you purchase them? Amazon, of course. That's where I usually get mine. I did purchase some at Hobby Lobby, but the selection was very slim and it was like one size and you got like 8, so it was a little bit more expensive. So you can find them on Etsy. There are so many different shops that carry, and they have, like I said, different designs and things. So safety eyes are amazing. I actually really like to use safety eyes. And I've also done embroidery eyes, and I'm working. Embroidering is also an option if you choose not to do safety eyes. Happy crocheting.